below my unboxing, my new PC. I'll tell you the specs afterwards, but first, shall we get into it? I've got a bad knife here. Kitchen knife, butter knife would be better than this. It's going. Whoa! No. 1 second. Okay, new knife.
Wait, Lewis, before you open it, what are you naming this computer?
Could call him Martin.
Martin, right?
Martin.
The birth of Martin.
It's like a cesarean, isn't it?
Not really.
Yes.
Sure they're a bit more careful.
Yes, probably. Oh, new surgical tools. To the kitchen now. Yes! Best things ever.
They're the worst.
Okay.
At least it isn't a reference.
No, it could be worse, it could be reference, yeah. It's an overclock edition, which is probably a good thing. Now let's cut this very gently so I don't want to scratch the case. I presume it probably won't scratch the case, but presuming. Yeah. My biceps. Trying to help.
Martin has been born.
Yes. His name is Martin, Dad. He's beautiful.
She's so small.
Oh, it's a shame.
That's a graphics
card. Graphics card box. They gave us the box, which is very nice. So, here we go. There's Martin. Doesn't look as brushed as it does on the pictures, does it?
I did tell you.
A little brushed, but right. And there it is. There. The wiring isn't bad.
We are actually, so you're on the PC now, so.
Woo.
Good start.
Yep.